I'm so cocky with it. Got my ice shut closed like Rocky hit it. Got your girl on my slide, she loving them jerking songs like a new iPod. Just touch it and turn on, and when the bass start beating, then the I'm beating. Then I got on my way, I'm leaving. She like, where you going? I ain't got my shoes in first. I said it's running like it's burning. She yelled. So I walked out the door, talking shit. Told him it's a function, he said I'm on my way. He put him to the party, I took off my shirt and got up. Everybody jerking. We was straight to the right, jerking to the left, and she popped it down the nose. She still had dress. She like a real jerk, you know, but this stuff in the whole party area, but all I can hear was wah, 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 wah. White chicken, I ain't even doing nothing. I'm a jerk, you ain't never lied, but hey, do me a favor, call me jerk one more time. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. Hey, you're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. I know. You're a jerk. Hey, you're a jerk. Jerk, 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 jerk.
Everything quiet in the bass real hard, and I stay geeked up, never been a. Got a new boy swag, and this is for y'all, so they gotta keep it separate like the jail code laws. I'm a thing, and I guess I'm a jerk, and I go to big towns with the boy here first. Man, you call me vital with your little jerk lines, and you say you brought it up, but the jerk is mine. You sneezing, I'm sneezing, but the shower is wet. When you coming to the front, you can push that back. Got your girl on the side, she talking a little stuff, but she texting on the phone, hey, but I go ahead, I think you got just. She was like, where you going? There's another girl next, and she screamed out loud, BJ, and I had nothing to say, but sorry that it hurt. Wow, 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 wow. White chicken, I ain't even do